Hey guys, Luckside coming to you here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. I want to talk to you about a survey that was done here in the US recently. So they found that nearly half of US adults say their crypto punts are worse than expected. So what does this mean? Well, amid the ongoing crypto winter, which they're naming this bear market that we've been in, new data from Pew Research Center survey has shown that 46% of adult crypto users in the United States are seeing lower than expected returns on their crypto investments. Yikes. So this is actually a pretty notable thing. If we take a look at this chart down here, so only 15% of people that had invested, this is at least from the people that they surveyed, which I believe was about 6,000 randomly selected people, only 15% had returns better than what they expected, 31% or about the same as what they expected, and 46% are worse than what they expected. So why is this a big deal? Well, for someone that gets in and ends up in losses right away, you're going to have a bad time. It's not a good thing. It doesn't put a good taste in your mouth. Unfortunately, that's where we're at right now. We're in the depths of this bear market. There's these cycles that happen over time, typically every 4 years. And last year in the middle of 2021, crypto was booming. Crypto was starting to broaden its horizons. Everything was pumping. I mean, you could throw your money literally at any crypto and you'd be in the green. And it was just fantastic, right? But over time, as we got towards the end of the year, the market started to soften, and you saw these kind of dead cat bounces, and yeah, it just started to obviously all go downhill from there. And here we are, about 9 months, almost 10 months into the bear market now. So everybody's kind of feeling the depths of pain. So if you were getting in at the later end of next year, or last year, later end of last year, you're probably feeling quite a bit of pain right now. So this survey was conducted July 5th through the 22nd. The majority of respondents who said they invested in crypto said they had lower than expected returns. So kind of just what I went over there. So what I guess is the big problem here is there are a lot of people that will just, take their losses and run and never touch crypto again. And that's kind of where the problem lies. That's kind of why you see these big drops from all-time highs, because unfortunately there are a lot of people that will invest with emotions. They'll see their investment, kind of falling down, and they're like, oh my gosh, I don't want to lose all my money. It's crashing. It's never coming back. I need to sell. Well, those are unfortunately the people that wreck themselves. And, obviously this is not financial advice. There's always a chance that could happen. But, what has history shown us with the markets? Well, they tend to come back. It tends to take about a year to a year and a half, and they tend to come back stronger. So, I definitely feel for anybody that got out, but at the same time, investments is not a place for emotions, especially in crypto, because of the volatility. I mean, things move so fast in crypto. You could be down, you could be up 5% 1 second and then down like 25% the next. And unfortunately, like I said, there are people that kind of react in a negative way on that. They'll dump their assets, they'll take their loss, and they'll move on with their life. So, even here it says that roughly 60% of crypto holders in the US started investing in crypto last year. So again, that's of people that actually invested in crypto. So that is a lot. So there's a lot of people that are feeling pain right now. Hey, I got in last year. I started in March of 2021, and I've definitely felt the pain on some investments. But you got to keep in mind, again, obviously not financial advice, but these are some of the good buying opportunities that you have, because in the next bull run that we have, the upside potential for your purchases is huge. So that's kind of the way that I think you should look at it. As always, I'm never going to tell you what to do with your money, but it's definitely unfortunate to hear that a lot of people have had a bad experience. Obviously most people that are in crypto right now are not feeling that great, but just keep in mind that there is light at the end of the tunnel. You know, you just gotta hodl. You gotta hold on, but it'll be coming sooner than we think. I believe that's at least my opinion on it. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't already, again, make sure that you smash that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the little bell on, because then that way again you'll know when any of the videos on Clear Cryptos go live. We have videos, shorts, live streams, all sorts of stuff. Yeah, tons of great content out there for you to view. Again, I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video with me, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.